Look at this new 2014 Ram 2500. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This 2500 boasts a 6.7-liter inline-six engine, and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses diesel. Additional options for this vehicle include the Quick Order Package 2FH Laramie, Convenience Group, transmission, 6-speed automatic, 68 RFE, 3.42 rear axle ratio, anti-spin differential rear axle, engine, 6.7 Li6 Cummins turbo diesel, black, leather trim bucket seats, power chrome trailer tow mirrors, power sunroof, keyless go, flame red clear coat, radio, Uconnect 8.4 and FM/FM HDVT nav, single disc remote CD player, wheels, 20 inches x 8.0 polished aluminum, power adjustable pedals with memory and the remote start system. Call 888-904-1295 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.